Broccoli, something is wrong with Supertato!
Ooh, it looks like a case of the super hiccups to me. Wow, that was a good one.
There's nothing good about this. We've got to make it stop before P uses her splatter pult to, well, splatter.
Anyone know a cure?
Oh, I do. My wise Uncle Cauliflower taught me lots of ways to stop hiccups. Let the cures begin.
Yes! Oh, no. The cures have made it even worse.
Well, I guess Uncle Cauliflower isn't wise after all. Look out!
Ha! So close! But you're meant to splat potato scoop! Reload!
Carrot! Broccoli! You've got to stop P's splatterpult!
We've got it.
Fire!
Is this the end for Supertato? Unless my hiccups can save the day! Potato!
It worked! Potato! Yes!
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Come on, Broccoli. Prepare to fire chopsticks. Go!
Fix my splatter pulse now!
Okay, boss. Bad luck, P. It looks like the splatterpult just got jammed.
Uh-oh. I'll beat you next time, Supertato!
That was spectacular, Supertato.
Oh, I couldn't have done it without you. Or my hiccups.
Hooray! They've gone! Whee!
They absolutely have. Oh, all that bouncing and leaping around must have stopped them. Ah, great work, friends.